Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Finance and Crypto Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can sign up for your Upholds account. Keep watching the video till the end. To sign up for your Upholds account, firstly go ahead and launch open any web browser of your preference. On the search box at the top, type in uphold.com and make a search. The official page of Uphold's account will appear on the screen. Click on three lines at the top right corner of the page. Click on Sign Up option. On the next page, enter your email address and create a password for your Upholds account. Click on an eye icon to check if you have entered your password correctly or not. Choose your country of residence, your state or province and your citizenship, then tap on Next. Tick mark on the box to accept the terms and conditions of your Upholds account. Now enter your full legal name, your date of birth and click on Next. Confirm all of your information by tick marking on the given box and tap on Confirm. Enter your home address details including your home address, city, postal code and tap on Next. On the next page, enter your phone number and click on Next. A verification code will be sent to your phone number for verification. Enter a verification code sent to your phone number for confirmation and follow the prompts till the end. Once you do so, you will be able to sign up for your Upholds account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and just give us a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching.